Okay, today we'll identify parts of a box and whisker plot. Quartile, it means 1/4 or 25%. Just think of the word quarter or quart. Quart, like a gallon, is a quarter of a gallon. Now, before making a box and whisker plot, what we want to do is put the numbers in order. And in this case, I already did that. Next thing we need to do is find what's called the median. So find the middle number. So to find the median, work your way towards the center. You can either cross them off or just work in. So we have this, then we'll move in one more, move in again, and move in again. So you can see that our median is between 25 and 27. So it must be 26. 26 is our median. I'm just going to put M right there, and it is 26. I'm going to circle that. Now, this lower half right here, let's find the middle of the lower half, the median. So counting, moving ourselves towards the middle, here, here, there. That is the center, the median of this lower half. And that is called the lower quartile. And we'll just say LQ, or lower quartile right there. So I had to take these numbers and find the center of that. Now let's find the center of the upper half. Okay, so we'll find the middle of that. So counting towards the center, we see we have 34. 34, and that would be our upper quartile. So we have a lower quartile, the median, and an upper quartile. Now the very bottom number has a name. It's called the lower extreme. The lower extreme. I just made a mistake, spelling error there, so I scratched that off. Lower extreme, because it's extremely low. And what do you think the last number is called? That's right. That's called the upper extreme. Upper extreme. Okay, now let's go ahead and graph this. Okay, so where these 5 numbers are, we're going to go to the number line down below, and let's just put a dot above each one. So 19. So I go to 19 here, and let's just put a dot above there, small dot. Then we have 22. See, 21, 22. I'll put a dot there. 26. Let's see, 25, 26. Dot above there. Then we have 34, the upper quartile. 34. And then our upper extreme is 40. Okay, so we have those dots. Now what we'll do at the median, which is 26, we're going to put a line right there. We're going to make a box. The lower quartile, which is 22 right there, I'll put a line. And over here at 26, that's the median, I'm sorry, 34 right there, put a line. And now this makes up the box of the box and whisker plot. So we have a box. Okay, so what do we do with the remaining points? What we do is we just draw a line going from there, that dot to that dot, from this dot to that dot. So we have our lower extreme, our lower quartile, our median, our upper quartile, and our upper extreme. This is called the box, and the 2 on the side are called whiskers. Box and whisker plot. Now we took our data and we basically divided it into fourths. Like this would be 25% of the data. This length is 25% of the data. This is 25% of the data. And this other part is 25%. So see, we divided everything into fourths. That's why we had to find the middle, and the middle, the median, and the median. If that makes sense. The median, then the lower median, the lower quartile, and then the upper median, the upper quartile. So we divide it into fourths. Now we'll answer the questions. What is the median? Well, the median, that's right here. See, if you didn't have this data up here, and you just had to look at this graph, box and whisker plot, you'd see it's 26. Okay, it's right there. That's 26. Number 2, what's the lower quartile? Lower quartile was right there, which is 22. What's the upper quartile? The upper quartile is right there. And you look down below, it goes to 34. Now I'm going to put this over to the side. I'm just writing them in there quickly. Next one, what's the lower extreme? That's the very bottom number. That's 19. See, that's where it starts, 19. What's the upper extreme? That's all the way over here. That is 40. And then what is the range? The range is a large number minus the small number. The largest number is 40, and the smallest number is 19. So you take 40 minus 19. So that's 21. Now make sure you go ahead and put your answer to the side. 26, 22, 34, 19, 40, and then our range was 21. Okay, now you go through and answer the remaining questions, and then put them over here, the answers over to the side. Do that now, please. Okay, you should be done. Okay, number 7 is 40. Number 8 is 30. Number 9 is 50. Number 10 is 15. Number 11 is 71. Number 12 is 68. Number 13 is 65. Number 14 is 50%. Number 14 is 15%. Number 15 is 50%. Number 16 is 25%. And the last one is 25%. Remember that on these problems, then in all of them, each one is 25%, 25%. Each quarter is 25%. This is sloppy. Excuse me. Anyways, you get the idea. Each quarter is 25%.